Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that I'm finally making this video. I know I haven't uploaded anything in like forever, and for that I apologize. I don't really have a reason to why. I just haven't been feeling motivated at all, not just with videos, but just everything in general. For that, I'm sorry. But anyways, I'm back now, so hi. So for today's videos, I wanted to make like a life hack slash DIY kind of thing. The reason for this is because a few days ago, I went to Walmart to get like a new flower pot, and they were like expensive, man. They were like, the plastic ones, they were like $10 to $15, and I don't want to be paying $15 every time I need a new flower pot because plants be growing like really fast, and you need to like change their pots so they can grow and have more space. So what I did, I went to Dollar Tree, and they did have flower pots, but they weren't like big enough. But they have like a lot of like different plastic containers, and so I thought, hey, I can use this. I just need to make like little holes under it, and it should work just fine. So I wanted to show you guys the containers that I got. I got two of these. Hold on. Two of these. This is probably like a trash can, but I don't care because it's pretty big and just perfect for my plants. I got two of these, and then I got three of this kind. This is like a more, like not tall, but like more wide, because some of my plants are more like wide. So yeah, I needed something more like this for those, and I just want to show you guys how I do it. And yeah, I'm super excited because I get to use my boyfriend's tools. He never lets me use them, but since he's not here right now, I'm gonna use them. And babe, if you're watching this, I'm sorry and I love you. So he has like this really cool bag thing that has like all his tools, and it has like these little pockets with like this, that you go like this and it opens. Wait, you go like this and it opens, and then you go like that and it closes again. I think that's really cool, even though I don't know the name or anything. And then this, I guess you change the top thing. I don't know. I guess I shouldn't really do a tour because I don't know the name of these tools or like, what they're used for. So I'm just gonna go and look for what I actually need. I'm gonna be using this. So cool. I've always wanted to use one of these. Anyways, I don't know. He has so many things. I'm guessing these. So I guess I should use the thicker one. I don't know. I'll just try. How do you get? Okay. So you just put this here. Like, I've seen him do this, so I should know a little bit. Do I grip? Oh, I just had to twist it like this and it doesn't come out. So I'm guessing that's all. So what I'm gonna do is first remove this thing, if I can ever get it out. So after you remove that, just make holes, I guess. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let me see if I can put the camera so you guys can see it. Oh, I'm just gonna do it here and then I'll show you. Guys, it's not making the hole. Do I put it like in full power? Gosh darn it. What is this? This does not work. Last time he did it like super fast. And for me it's not working. Oh my god, I just thought. Wait, oh, what did I do? Oh. Taladro. Taladro. No, okay. I'm gonna keep trying to do this. Hold on. That scared me. But I made the hole, so. That's the first hole. I was trying to make it here in this middle thing, but it's not working there, so I guess I'll just do the like a round. So I'll be back. Ooh. Now it's working really fast. This is so cool. I wish you guys could see me do this. But I don't have like a tripod, it's just my phone. That's pretty cool. I still want to make the one in the middle, but I guess it's not. Ooh, I did it, finally. So this should be enough holes, I guess. I hope so. So I'm gonna finish the rest of them off camera, but once I'm done with them, I'm gonna show you guys how they look. So I'll be right back. So this is how they look like now. I made all those holes. It was pretty fun to do. I like using that tool. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll try to make a video of me switching the plants from the pots. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and share with your friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Yeah, Muaaax.